Dad's always in the right place at the right time. He's a very good citizen.
Daddy, you're such a hero.
Not a hero, just...
You look like a hero.
You just gotta go out and help. Nobody stops sometimes, right?
You never know what's coming your way with Ladybug Adventures. I bring you mouse traps, archery videos, car cam videos, DIY projects, and computer builds. Don't forget to subscribe.
Credit?
Wait, Daddy, imagine I just start panicking. And I put like a heart sticker right here. Wait, Daddy, imagine I just right here.
I said thank you.
Thank you.
Oh man, I went the wrong way.
Holy! Oh my God! Holy log nuts!
Okay, hold on. I'll be right back.
Yes! Oh my God! Holy! Oh my God! Holy.
Now, being first on the scene, it's important to make sure that number one, that you are safe yourself, making sure that the traffic is indeed stopping and that they can see the overturned car. Number two, making sure the driver was conscious, oriented, and that he didn't have any life-threatening injuries. Number three, making sure that there were no other passengers in that car. Number four, calling 911 with all the pertinent information and staying on the line giving them any information that I have. Also, any bystanders, I tried to get them to help direct traffic. And what felt like an eternity, but was actually probably only 10-11 minutes, the first responders came, and thank goodness for these first responders. Again, you know, we take it for granted, and in our time of need, these people just come rushing right in. So thank you so much to everybody's help. I was also able to speak to the police and give them my dashcam video, which clearly shows the other car which failed to remain on the scene. I hope they'll be able to catch this person who failed to remain, and it's our duty and responsibility to stay on the scene in any accident. It was a pretty scary one, and I was just happy to help out where I could. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next Ladybug Adventure.